Today we reveal some of the transport systems and their manufacturers that are responsible for how the rich travel. In this episode, we reveal some of the finest, luxurious private jets that are built to ensure your safety and exclusive comfort. Welcome to Auto Tech Talk, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything right here on Auto Tech Talk. The Bombardier Global Express is a large cabin, 621-mile range business jet designed and manufactured by Bombardier Aviation. It first flew on the 13th of October 1996, initially powered by two BMW Rolls-Royce BR710s. It shares its fuselage cross-section with the Canadair Regional Jet and Challenger 600, with a new wing and tail. It has a maximum flight altitude of 51,000 feet and 14 hours of endurance. This jet can accommodate 12 to 16 passengers in 3 cabin sections, mostly a forward 4-chair club section, a central 4-seat conference grouping, and an AFT 3-place divan-facing chairs. Most of the models have a forward gallery, crew rest chair, and crew lavatory. The 10.3 psi cabin pressurization maintains a 4,500-foot cabin altitude up to flight level 450 feet and 5,680 feet at the flight level 510 ceiling. Interestingly, the cabin has an obstructed length of 48 feet, while the floor is dropped by 2 inches from the Challenger to increase width at shoulder level, while the windows have been repositioned and enlarged by 25%. The price tag of the Bombardier Global Express is between $12 to $14 million. And up next, we have the Gulfstream G800. The new extended-length Gulfstream G800 is equipped with ultimate next-generation technology, 4 living areas, and has a maximum range of 9,206.24 miles. It is able to cruise at 5,900 pound-feet by 9,206.24 miles at Mach 0.85. The Icon is teamed up with Rolls-Royce, and I'm sure we can be assured of high-thrust engines powering you robustly to your next destination, faster while reducing fuel consumption and emissions. As you fly greater distances at high speeds, you gain time. The Gulfstream's high-speed range advantage can save you up to 1.5 hours on flights longer than 4,794 pound-feet by 1,266.35 miles. The G800 is equipped with a cabin that gives you liberty to enjoy your moments from focused work to relaxation and sleep. A sleek interior outfitted with the finest, delicate materials that grants you comfort and convenience. The plasma ionization clean air system is installed in the cabin to grant you 100% purified fresh air, which is renewed every 2 to 3 minutes. Passengers can be assured of great peace, quietness, and business aviation. Gulfstream's award-winning Symmetry flight deck has made vast improvements in safety and efficiency. Included safety features are the active control side sticks, an industry first, increased nonverbal communication between pilots through tactile cues. 10 touchscreen displays work in sync with phase-of-flight intelligence to reduce the number of switches in the flight deck. Vision for pilots has been clarified in the G800 with a dual heads-up display featuring a combined vision system that unites enhanced flight vision system and synthetic vision system in a single image, increasing pilot situational awareness and access to more airports. The G800 comes with a price tag of $71.5 million. Next on the line is the Embraer Phenom 100. The Embraer EMB 500 Phenom 100 is a very light jet, developed by Brazilian manufacturer Embraer. It has a capacity of 4 passengers in its normal configuration, but it can carry up to 7 passengers with a single crew with an optional side-facing seat and belted toilet. The cabin interior is designed by BMW Design Works USA. The intention to build light aircrafts led to the development of the Embraer Phenom 100. In April 2005, Embraer's board of directors approved its development, and on the 9th of November, the company developed the full-scale prototype and showcased it. Performance specs of the jet: its maximum range is 1,355.83 miles, Mach of 0.7, high cruise speed of 467.27 miles per hour, with a maximum operating altitude of 41,000 feet. Pratt & Whitney Canada managed to develop a 1,730 pound force of engine thrust. The cabin length is 11 feet long, and the total baggage capacity is 70 cubic feet. Its 2009 price was $3.6 million, and today, its 2021 price is $4.25 million. Next on the line is the Learjet 60, first introduced as the Model 60 Learjet in 1993. The aircraft is powered by Pratt & Whitney PW305A engines that produce 400 pounds force of thrust at takeoff. The cabin can manage to accommodate 7 to 8 passengers, depending on the size of the divan. The Learjet 60 is equipped with ProLine 4 avionics and is controlled by an integrated avionics processing system. The Learjet 60 XR is an improved version and is equipped with Rockwell Collins ProLine 21 avionics. The Learjet 60 can climb to a cruise of 43,000 feet in less than 14 minutes when loaded at maximum takeoff weight. Aerodynamic technologies were implemented through utilization of NASA and Boeing Tranair computational fluid dynamics to locate drag points. Hence, drag was reduced by 4%. It can reach Mach 0.81 and is certified at 51,000-foot flight ceiling, and fuel efficiency is still not compromised at all. The 60XR was the latest aircraft to be fitted with Rockwell Collins ProLine 21, replacing ProLine 4. The ProLine 21 is a fully integrated avionics system with many key upgrades that include decreased weight, a 75% larger display, higher reliability and capabilities. Its flight management system includes electronic charting features, aiding convenient operation of the aircraft. The wings of the Learjet 60 feature winglets to reduce drag, which significantly enhances performance. The 60 model also features a 43-inch fuselage, which makes it 11% greater than its predecessor, the 55 model. Its top speed is 522 miles per hour, making it superior to many of its rivals. The Learjet 60's price tag is approximately $2.9 million. The Cessna Citation Sovereign. The Citation is a mid-sized jet that can leap and be airborne from runways in just under 4,000 feet and easily land under 3,000 feet. The Sovereign Cessna has a mile range of 2,847 miles with adequate fuel reserves. Its cabin is 24 feet long, granting desirable interior space with the durability to comfortably accommodate 9 passengers. Its luggage space has a capacity of 100 cubic feet, making it the best in its class. These qualities allow one to take anything you want to, wherever you're heading to. It's a business jet, which means it should get you anywhere to your business obligation on time. With its 522 miles per hour, one can rest assured. The Citation Sovereign combines all the best attributes into a single airframe and allows you to be the most productive member. Next up on the line is the Embraer Legacy 600. Its design is based on the ERJ-135 model. It was launched in 2000 at the Farnborough Air Show as the Legacy 2000. The Legacy carries 13 passengers in 3 partition sections for 3,050 nautical miles, or 8 passengers at 3,450 nautical miles. It features added range via extra fuel tanks in the tail, behind the baggage compartment, and forward of the wing, winglets, and an extensive drag reduction program. It is certified to fly up to 41,000 feet. The Legacy 600 is powered by the AE 307A1E engines, manufactured by Rolls-Royce, producing 7,930 pound force of thrust. It can reach a maximum speed of 515 miles per hour at Mach 0.78. The Legacy can take off at 5,164 feet and land at 2,865 feet. The Embraer Legacy 600 comes at a price tag of $13.2 million. Next up on the lineup is the Honda HA420 Honda Jet. This is the first ever jet built by Honda. Honda committed to extensive research for over 20 years and to finally come up with the over-the-wing engine design concept, making it conspicuous. The over-the-engine wing design concept was implemented to maximize the cabin space and simultaneously achieve lower drag at a high Mach number. The nose and wing are designed for laminar flow, and the main fuselage has a constant profile. Two Honda HF120 H1A engines power the Honda HA420, each providing 2,037 pound-force of thrust. Its cabin is 350 cubic feet and accommodates 5 passengers and 1 crew. The HA420 has a max speed of 483.42 miles, takeoff distance of 3,943 feet, and a landing distance of 2,795 feet, and a maximum operating altitude of 43,000 feet. It is also equipped with a touchscreen 3-display Garmin G3000 glass cockpit avionics system. The estimated cost price of the Honda HA420 is $5 million. Next up is the Hawker 4000, which is the largest in the Hawker family and features an aluminum wing design. The Hawker 4000 has an NBAA IFR range of 3,100 nautical miles and a speed Mach of 0.82 and is capable of crossing a country as big as the United States non-stop. It has a maximum range of 3,400 nautical miles. It made its first flight on the 11th of August 2001. In 2003, in confirmation of its transatlantic capability, the Hawker 4000 flew around from Wichita via Los Angeles and Seattle at an average speed of Mach 0.77. The Hawker 4000 fuselage is of advanced composite technology, construction similar to that used on the Premier 1 entry-level business jet, and including graphite and epoxy laminated material and honeycomb composites, and its fuselage is built into 3 sections, making it greater in size than the 2-section fuselage in the Premier 1. The wings are built by Fuji Heavy Industries in Japan and transported to Raytheon's manufacturing facility in Wichita for assembly. 2 crew members can be accommodated, and its avionics system provides full authority automatic throttle, moving map displays, and vertical navigation. And that's a wrap. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on anything right here on Auto Tech Talk.